or fantastic baking soda masks for removing blackheads. Baking soda is a great ingredient for exfoliating the skin, keeping it smooth and free of impurities, and removing blackheads. Plus, it helps to neutralize the pH, which can be affected by makeup and other products. When the pH changes, bacteria, grease, and blackheads can appear. Take note of the following masks for removing blackheads. You'll find they're really easy and great for your skin. Why use baking soda to remove blackheads? Baking soda is a natural ingredient with no associated side effects, as long as you don't use it excessively. The bubbling action of baking soda cleans your skin gently and literally pulls the dirt out of the pores. It's the ingredient to use if your pores are very clogged. 1. Baking soda and water. This first mask is the simplest option. Apply it each night after removing your makeup. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 15 grams. 2 tablespoons of water, 30 milliliters. How to use it? Remove all makeup and clean your face with warm water to open the pores. Mix baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply it over your T-zone and leave it to act for 5 minutes. Massage it in for 2 minutes and then rinse with cold water. 2. Lemon juice and brown sugar mask. If you've been trying to remove blackheads for a long time with no success, then try out this exfoliant. The sugar helps the expulsion of the deepest dirt and smoothens the skin without irritating it. At the same time, the lemon has an astringent and antibacterial effect which reduces the chance of infections. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 30 grams. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 30 grams. 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 125 milliliters. How to use it? Mix all the ingredients together and apply the mixture to your face. Make sure your face is clean. Use your fingertips to massage the mask around your face, paying special attention to your nose and chin. Leave it act for 15 minutes and rinse it off. 3. Baking soda and rosemary. Rosemary water softens and hydrates the skin and closes the pores at the same time. This is great because the smaller your pores, the less chance there is for toxins to accumulate in them. Furthermore, rosemary water counteracts inflammation and is good for sensitive skin, cleansing it gently. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of warm rosemary water, 30 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 30 grams. How to use it? Clean your face as you usually do with water and soap. Mix the rosemary water and baking soda together and apply the resulting paste over the areas where you have blackheads. Leave it to act for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and dry with a soft towel. Apply moisturizer and repeat this application 3 times a week. 4. Baking soda and milk. Baking soda contains acids which neutralize the alkalinity of the skin. As for the milk, its lactic acid helps clean and exfoliate your skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 15 grams. 1 tablespoon of whole milk, 15 milliliters. How to use it. Mix the ingredients together to make a paste. Apply it to clean skin and leave it to act for 1 minute. Remove it with warm water, cleaning in circular movements. Apply it 3 times a week. Things to be careful of when using these masks. Baking soda is a very neutral substance. However, there are certain things that it's important to remember. Avoid applying these masks over places where you have irritation of wounds. Although the majority of ingredients will not cause any problems, you may irritate wounds. The best choice is to wait until they've healed and the irritation has gone. Normally, this takes about 2 to 5 days. If you notice that your skin is not improving, make a visit to a dermatologist. Don't use these masks excessively. If you apply them more often than suggested, they may cause irritation to your skin. Even if you have a lot of blackheads, you should stick the instructions we've suggested. It's quite normal with any beauty product to start noticing the results after the 3rd week of use. Stop using these masks if they cause you any problems at all. Although you may not have had any problems with any of these ingredients before, stop using them if you notice any negative effects. Environmental factors and other beauty products can often cause problems, even if you have never experienced them before.